Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. This was just a couple days ago. We are in May of 2021, and these are some bridge timbers. This weighs about 1,800 pounds because I've weighed each of these individually, and so I'm trying to get back to this bridge crossing project here between our two farm ponds. So let's just see if we can set this on the concrete pad that we made. I think it was last summer. Might have to try to rehook it, unless I could get it like centered better.
Hey, you're about center right there.
I know, but it's still gonna keep pulling it because it's in between them teeth.
A lot quicker hydraulics, huh?
Yeah, they're touchy. Pretty dang close.
Yep.
A couple inches that way. See if I could
Push it over.
nudge it over. You see that 2x4 edge there?
Yep.
Just a little bit. Maybe, but I don't know if I'm gonna mess with that. Dang it. Look up there and see which way you think I need to.
Need to come back this way a little bit.
On that left side for sure.
Yeah, and it's kind of out like this. Get your clamp. you go. That right there, right there.
Yeah,
That's about the close you're gonna get.
all what we're gonna get. All right, we got it.
What do you say?
Well, tiny bit of progress anyways.
Now you don't complain
Slowly but
about.
surely.
Now you don't complain about getting your new machines muddy on my place, and we made a mess here.
We made a mess today. Now if we could both get off of the dam, you can